So today we'll look at the code for web scraping using Beautiful Soup. So we'll just go through this documentation of Beautiful Soup. So what it says here is it's a Python library for pulling data out of HTML and XML files, and we are using BeautifulSoup4. So I am opening this Geek for Geeks to understand Beautiful Soup. So what it says is the action being performed is web scraping. The meaning of web scraping is accessing the HTML of the web page and extracting useful information data from it. So one way of doing that is usage of APIs. Say for example Twitter API or Facebook APIs are there. The other way is web scraping or web harvesting. Now the first step in this is you need to send a HTTP request through third-party HTTP library called as request, and once we get the HTML access, so we need to parse it, right? So HTML parser can be used to parse it. Once we have parsed it, we need to traverse that, and for traversing that we need again third-party Python library called as Beautiful Soup. So let us directly look at the code which is there in the Colab. This also we googled and downloaded from some anonymous source. So you can see here the command to get that request is pip install request, and the command to get the library Beautiful Soup 4 is pip install soup 4. So you can see that I have already executed that, and it is giving the result as requirement is already satisfied. Once we have installed request and Beautiful Soup, we are importing both of them, request and Beautiful Soup. So once we have done, our objective is to extract contents from this web page. You can see this the link here, quotes.toscrape.com. So what we are trying to scrape from this is the quotes and the authors, Say for example here there is a quote by Albert Einstein and there is a quote by J.K. Rowling. So quotes and the author, that's what we are trying to do here. So you can see here we have created an object called a soup, and for the class Beautiful Soup, and first here parsing is happening, and for quotes we are finding in the you can inspect the elements for span and text by just going to this web page and say inspect, and somewhere you are finding a span, so you can connect with that. So there you will be getting my text for quotes, and wherever you have small, there you will be getting the author names. So we are saying return quotes and authors. This is my function, and we are calling that function. Here we are giving the URL quotes.toscrape.com, and we are putting a if and for loop here. So and we are printing the quotes and the authors details, and this is the output you can see. So this is a small explanation for Beautiful Soup implementation.